Stop, just 1 second.
Yes, listen carefully.
Can you speak English
Without thinking hard,
without freezing up?
without feeling scared.
What if you could?
In just 5 minutes daily?
Sounds impossible, right?
It's not, we promise.
Stay with us now.
This will help you.
Everything changes today.
Let's start right now.
Hello, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Ava. Hi.
We teach English daily.
Step by step. Simple.
Ava, are you ready?
Always, Ethan. Let's go.
Viewer, welcome here.
We're so glad you came.
This is your space.
No pressure. Just practice.
We're with you always.
Every step together.
Ava, let's begin.
Yes, Ethan. Absolutely.
Ava, be honest.
Okay, Ethan. I will.
Did you ever freeze?
Oh, yes. Many times.
Someone asks you something,
And you go blank.
words just disappear?
Completely gone. Yes.
Viewer, same for you?
We know that feeling.
In school, you knew it.
But speaking felt scary.
Your heart beats fast.
Your mouth stays shut,
You think in your head.
but words don't come out.
That's the problem, right?
Exactly, Ethan. Exactly.
But here's the truth.
It's not your fault.
You were never taught speaking.
Only grammar. Only tests.
Not real daily English.
That changes today.
Viewer, ready to fix this?
We're here to help.
Let's do this together.
Yes, let's go now.
Ava, let's start shadowing.
Great. I love this, Ethan.
Viewer, this is key.
Just copy what you hear.
Don't think too long.
Just open your mouth.
Say what we say.
Ready? Here we go.
Good morning, I'm ready.
Say it with us.
Good morning, I'm ready.
Your turn. Say it. Did you say it?
Say it again, louder.
Good morning. I'm ready.
One more time, go.
Good morning. I'm ready.
Perfect, that's shadowing.
Easy, right? Yes.
Great job, keep going. Now try this one.
Repeat after me. Ready?
I practice English daily.
Say it. Don't stop.
I practice English daily.
Again, with feeling.
I practice English daily.
Viewer, say it now. How did that feel?
Amazing, right?
Say it one more time.
I practice English daily.
Yes, keep that rhythm.
That's your first exercise. Done.
We're proud of you.
Ava, ready for more?
Always, Ethan. Always ready.
Viewer, let's go deeper.
A little longer this time.
Stay with us, okay? Every day, I improve.
Say it slowly. Ready?
Every day, I improve.
Pause, then repeat.
Every day, I improve.
Viewer, your turn now. Say it again, louder.
Every day, I improve.
Beautiful. That's progress.
Ava, you're doing great.
Thanks, Ethan. Smiles.
One more sentence. Try this.
I am not afraid to speak.
Say it with us.
I am not afraid to speak.
Viewer, say it now.
Believe it as you say it.
I am not afraid to speak.
Again, one more time.
I am not afraid to speak.
That's your truth now.
Hold on to that always. Ava, advance round now.
Yes, Ethan, let's go.
Viewer, this is deeper.
Focus and follow us.
Longer phrases this time.
Take your time, slowly.
I listen, I repeat, I learn.
Say it with us.
I listen, I repeat, I learn.
Pause between each word.
I listen, pause,
I repeat, pause.
I learn.
Now together, all at once.
I listen, I repeat, I learn.
Viewer, your turn. How was that? Good?
Say it again, stronger.
I listen, I repeat, I learn.
Perfect. Excellent. Well done.
Ethan, that felt so good.
It always works, Ava, always. Ava, tips time now.
Yes, Ethan, 7 tips.
Viewer, grab your notebook. Ready? let's go.
Tip 1, Ava. Ready?
Yes, talk to yourself.
In front of a mirror.
Every morning, just start.
Say anything in English.
Today is Monday.
Or, I feel strong today.
Or, it's a sunny morning.
Just 2 minutes, that's it.
It sounds small, but
It builds your confidence.
slowly, every day.
Viewer, try this tomorrow.
Morning, 2 minutes, speak.
That's tip 1. Easy.
So easy, Ava, yes. Tip 2, Ava, go.
Shadow everything you hear.
On TV or YouTube.
Pause the video, repeat.
Word by word, slowly.
Don't rush, just copy.
Copy the voice, the tone.
Copy the rhythm, the speed.
Exactly as you hear it.
That's real shadowing practice.
Viewer, do this tonight.
Any video, any show.
Hear it, then repeat.
Pause, rewind, repeat again.
Do it 3 times.
3 times minimum.
That's tip 2. Done.
Great tip, Ethan. Love it.
Tip 3. Ava, let's go.
Write a diary in English.
Just 3 sentences daily.
Not 5, not 10, 3.
I woke up at 7.
I had tea and toast.
I feel happy today.
Simple, short, real.
Viewer, get a notebook.
Write tonight 3 lines.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Write it anyway. Just start.
That's tip 3. Beautiful.
Ava, love that one.
Me too, Ethan, really.
Tip 4, a big one.
Think in English always.
Not in your first language.
In English from now on.
See a chair. Say chair.
See water. Say water.
In your mind, in English.
Not out loud, inside first.
Then slowly, it comes out.
Naturally, without thinking hard.
Viewer, try it right now.
Look around you. Name things.
In English. Go ahead.
Did you try? Good.
That's thinking in English.
Keep doing that, always.
All day, every day.
Tip 4, complete. Yes.
Yes, Ethan. Excellent. Tip 5. Ava, this one?
Record your voice. Yes.
Use your phone, record.
Say a sentence in English.
Then play it back.
Listen to yourself carefully.
How do you sound?
Is it clear? Is it good?
You hear your own mistakes.
And you fix them slowly
Record again and again.
until it sounds better.
Viewer, try this now.
Pick up your phone.
Record 1 sentence, English.
Listen back. Be honest.
That's how you improve.
Tip 5, so powerful.
One of my favorites, Ava.
Mine too, Ethan, truly.
Tip 6. Ava, quick one.
Change your phone language.
Set it to English right now, if you can.
You'll see English all day.
Settings, notifications, apps.
All in English constantly.
Your brain starts absorbing.
Without even trying hard.
Passive learning is real.
Viewer, do it now.
Pause this video, change it.
We'll wait. Smiles.
Done? Great. Come back.
That one small step.
Makes a huge difference.
Tip 6, done. Yes.
Simple but smart, Ava.
Exactly, Ava. Exactly.
Last tip. Tip 7.
Send voice notes in English.
To a friend or yourself.
1 voice note daily.
Even if no one listens.
You are practicing speaking.
Out loud, not in your head.
Out loud. That's the key.
Today I learned 1 tip.
Tomorrow, I'll practice more.
Say it, record it, send it.
Even if it's imperfect.
Imperfect speaking beats silence.
Every single time, truly.
Viewer, try 1 voice note.
Tonight, just 1. Promise us.
Can you do that?
We believe you can.
Tip 7, complete. Wow.
7 tips, Ethan. Amazing.
Ava, you did great today.
Thank you, Ethan. You too.
Ava, quick recap.
Yes, Ethan. Let's go.
Tip 1, talk to yourself.
Tip 2, shadow everything.
Tip 3, write a diary.
Tip 4, think in English.
Tip 5, record your voice.
Tip 6. Change your phone.
Tip 7. Send voice notes.
7 tips, all simple,
All free, all powerful.
all starting today.
Viewer, pick just one.
Start with one, only one.
Do it today, not tomorrow.
Comment below which one.
Tell us your choice.
We read every comment.
We are here with you.
You are not alone.
Ava, any last words?
Yes, Ethan, just this. Viewer, you showed up today.
That already means so much.
You watched, you practiced.
You repeated, you tried.
That is real progress.
Don't let anyone stop you.
Not even your own doubt.
Doubt is normal. Push through.
And we'll be here always,
Every lesson, every day.
growing together with you.
One final shadowing, Ava.
Yes, let's end strong.
Repeat this with us.
Say it and mean it.
I am an English learner.
I practice every day.
I will not stop.
I am getting better.
All together, viewer.
Say them all in order.
I am an English learner.
I practice every day.
I will not stop.
I am getting better.
Did you say all four?
Say them again, stronger.
I am an English learner.
I practice every day.
I will not stop.
I am getting better. Yes, that's who you are.
Remember that always. Ava, one last section.
Yes, the most important.
Viewer, listen closely now.
This part is for you.
Only you, right now. You are not behind.
You are just starting.
And starting takes courage.
You have that courage.
Every great English speaker,
Was once a beginner.
every fluent voice you hear,
Once struggled like you.
even us, right, Ava?
Absolutely, Ethan. I struggled.
I did too, a lot.
I was scared to speak.
I made mistakes daily.
But I kept going.
And that made the difference.
Showing up every day.
That's the secret, truly. Viewer, repeat after us.
Ready? Let's do this.
Mistakes are okay.
Say it. Mistakes are okay.
Again, mean it.
Mistakes are okay.
Good. Now this one.
I am improving every day.
Say it loud.
I am improving every day.
Viewer, your turn. Say it. Don't be shy.
I am improving every day.
One more, the last one.
I will not give up.
Say it. Strong voice.
I will not give up.
Viewer, say it now. Again, louder.
I will not give up.
Yes, that's your promise.
To yourself. Keep it.
Ava, what a lesson.
The best one, Ethan.
Viewer, thank you so much
For watching, for trying.
for showing up today.
Come back tomorrow.
More practice awaits you.
More progress coming soon.
Until next time, Ava.
Until next time, Ethan.
And viewer, take care.
Keep going. Don't stop.
You've got this, truly.
We believe in you, always.
Goodbye for now.